So let us cover some important question answers of the topic globe, latitudes and longitude. So the first one is, what is latitude? Latitude is the distance north or south of the equator measured in degree. Okay, so it is the distance north or south of the equator measured in degree. And what is longitude? It is the distance east or west of the prime meridian and measured in degrees. Okay, so this is also measured in degrees. However, you can also write that the latitudes are the imaginary horizontal line drawn parallel to the equator, and longitude are the imaginary vertical lines running from North Pole to South Pole. Now, what is equator? The equator is an imaginary line that divides the earth into northern and southern hemisphere at 0° latitude. Now, how many latitudes are there? There are 181 latitudes, that is the 90° north plus 90° south and plus equator. So here we will see 181 latitudes are there. And how many longitudes are there? There are 360 longitudes are there. That is 180 longitudes are there in the east side and 180 longitudes are there in the west side. Now what are the important latitudes are there? That is the equator 0°, North Pole 90° north, South Pole 90° south, and then Tropic of Cancer 23/3 half or 0.5 dot north, Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 then degree south, and Arctic Circle that is 66.5 north, and Antarctic Circle that is 66.5 degree south. So these are the important latitudes. Now let us see what is the prime meridian. So the prime meridian is a 0° longitude which passes through Greenwich, England. Now which longitude is used as international date line? The 180° longitude mostly over the Pacific Ocean is used as the international date line. Now which longitude is used for Indian Standard Time? That is 82° half or 5 dot east. Longitude passing through Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh is used for Indian Standard Time. How do latitudes and longitude help in locating places? Latitudes and longitude form an imaginary grid on the globe, allowing us to identify the exact location of a place using coordinates. So it forms a grid, and through this grid we can just identify the exact location of a place using these coordinates. Okay. Next, why is Earth divided into time zones? So the Earth rotates from west to east, causing different parts of the world to experience sunrise and sunset at different times. To maintain a uniform system of time, the world is divided into 24 time zones, each covering 15° longitudes. So that's why Earth is divided into different time zones. Now what is the difference between local time and standard time? So local time is based on the position of the sun at a given longitude, whereas standard time is the official time of a region set according to a central longitude like IST in India. So this is the difference between the local time and the standard time. Now finally, what is Indian Standard Time and why is it based on 82.5° east longitude? So India has a vast geographical spread from 68° east to 97° east longitude, meaning different parts of the country experience different local times. To avoid confusion, Indian Standard Time, that is IST, is set based on the 82.5° east longitude which passes through Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. This longitude is chosen because it is almost in the middle of India, ensuring a balanced time system for the entire country. IST, that is the Indian Standard Time, is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT, that is the Greenwich Mean Time. Without the standard time, different regions would follow different time zones, creating difficulties in communication and business activity. That's why Indian Standard Time has been used IST, okay, and it passed through 82.5° east longitude. So these are the important expected questions from the examination point of view from the topic globe, latitudes and longitudes.